Use this hack to get a $400 bonus for free. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. If you haven't by now, make sure that you have subscribed on YouTube and have joined the credit community, because we go over hacks like this all of the time. Now, for those of you that are looking to earn a $400 bonus for free by simply opening up a checking account, you want to follow these simple steps. The first step that you want to do is visit Truist.com. This is Truist.com, and on their website, you can open up a checking account. That means it is not going to affect your credit. Now, if you have issues opening up checking accounts with banks by having some sort of negative account on your check system report or early warning, make sure to reach out so we can get that resolved for you. But this, my friends, is how you open up a checking account directly with Truist right here online, and you can earn a $400 bonus. It says right here, all that you have to do is simply open up a checking account anywhere from February 28th of 2024 all the way up to June 26th of 2024. Make sure that you are using the promo code that is right here to open up your accounts, and you must open up the account online and enter the promo code in order to be eligible to participate in this promotion and get your free $400. And again, this is a free $400 bonus for simply opening up a checking account, guys. Free money. Now, step 2 of what you're going to need to do in order to qualify for this bonus, you're going to need to receive at least one qualifying direct deposit of $500 or more and complete at least 15 qualifying debit card purchases within 90 days of opening up your account. All debit purchases must be posted to your account in order to qualify. Notice there is no amount. You just have to run your debit card 15 times and you are good. Plus, get that $500 direct deposit. You can simply transfer your direct deposit over here temporarily, or you can have a certain percentage be direct deposited into this account. And then third, it says right here, the reward will be deposited into the new checking account within 4 weeks after the qualification requirements have been met and verified. So this, my friends, is how you can earn yourself a free $400 bonus by simply opening up a checking account online. Again, my name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. For more tips and tricks on personal or business credit, make sure to follow me on Instagram and YouTube. And if you haven't by now, join the credit community. The link is in the description, or you can find it in my bio. Let's go.